What's up, guys? Today we have a clip of Texas judge Rosie Speedy-Gonzalez, which, I imagined another human incarnation for Speedy-Gonzalez, but I guess it's close enough. She kinda looks like a mouse. But basically, this judge just got arrested because she handcuffed an attorney, locking him in a jury box while she was fighting over her pride flags. Because she claimed she was targeted for being asked to remove all the pride flags and LGBTQ merch from her courtroom.
From KSAT 12, the 6 o'clock news starts right now.
A Bexar County judge still fighting to show her pride more than a year after being forced to take the display down. Back in 2019, following a complaint from a local lawyer, Judge Rosie Speedlin-Gonzalez was ordered to remove her rainbow pride flag from her courtroom.
But that is not where that story ended, nor was that the only thing she was asked to get rid of. Erica Hernandez spoke to the judge about her fight to bring those things back to her courtroom and why she still feels this was a personal attack.
In 2018, Judge Rosie Speedlin-Gonzalez became the first openly gay judge to be elected in Bexar County. Within months of taking the bench, a complaint was made by a local defense attorney to the State Commission on Judicial Conduct about the rainbow pride flag she had in her courtroom.
It came across very much like I was being targeted and discriminated against.
And it wasn't just the rainbow pride flag that she was forced to remove.
I was also ordered to remove all rainbows from the courtroom. My mouse pad, the pen that I used, the robe where I had a sarape, colors.
Gonzalez states her disappointment is also because other judges across the state have not been required to remove flags or different color robes from their courtrooms.
Are they going to go to these judges who have an Irish flag in their courtroom or wear a camouflage robe when they want to, or make sure that out in the rural counties there isn't a Confederate flag flying in some little JP court?
She has since made an appeal on the ruling and is awaiting to get her day in court, which can come later this year.
Yeah, first of all, that's pathetic, okay? You have a rainbow flag, you have a rainbow pen, you have a rainbow clothes. Like, what the fuck is this, okay? You're supposed to be impartial. You're supposed to represent the law. And you're clearly taking a side. And second, are people supposed to take you seriously? Because it's not gonna happen, obviously. I mean, you're a judge. You're not supposed to be this unprofessional. And comparing the Irish flag to the LGBT flag is just low IQ. And we can clearly see this judge is a result of DEI.
And as she waits, she's making sure to continue to be a leading advocate for the LGBTQ plus community any way she can.
It's become a year-round type of approach to life, to live authentically and to live out loud.
I mean, how can you live authentically supporting total delusion?
A county court judge indicted, accused of having an attorney handcuffed and kept in a jury box. Judge Rosie Speedlin-Gonzalez turned herself in this afternoon on both felony and misdemeanor charges.
KSAT Investigates broke the story 2 weeks ago, and Dylan Collier continues to follow through now that the case has gone to a grand jury.
Judge Rosie Speedlin-Gonzalez's legal ordeal began December 17, 2024. During an argument with defense attorney Elizabeth Russell inside County Court 13, Speedlin-Gonzalez ordered Russell to be handcuffed. Court transcripts show the judge berated the attorney while she sat restrained in a jury box. Russell, who declined comment today, filed a criminal complaint. Earlier this month, KSAT Investigates exposed the incident and spoke with former employees who worked in Speedlin-Gonzalez's court. They described the judge's behavior as increasingly erratic. The two-count indictment accuses Speedlin-Gonzalez of unlawful restraint by a judge, a second-degree felony, and misdemeanor official oppression. And Speedlin-Gonzalez did not respond to a request seeking comment. Records show she turned herself in just after noon and was released from custody around 2 o'clock.
All right, so now that she's not in custody, Dylan, what ultimately happens to the judge moving forward?
Yeah, she has an opponent in the March primary, which is now just over 4 weeks away. The State Commission on Judicial Conduct could also move to suspend her, which we have seen happen. We saw it play out that way. So I expect the commission to move forward in the coming days. Probably will act quickly. Not sure what that discipline will be, though.
So until that happens, if it does at all, can she still preside over court cases even though she's under indictment?
Yeah, there is no flat-out rule in Texas that prevents her from hearing cases while under felony indictment. The commission, as I said, could move quickly to suspend her from her duties. We've been checking with them all afternoon and have not seen any action so far on their part. The other thing that could play into this is the other county court judges could pressure her to step aside until this legal situation is finished.
All right, you'll follow it for us.
Thank you,
Dylan,
Dylan.
thank you.
You bet.
Yeah, I think she should be removed from the bench because she's clearly not capable to fit the judge role. But guys, let me know in the comments what you think and what do you think should happen to her. Leave a like and subscribe if you want to. Christ is King, and God bless.